notes for you, and also the links. If you're opening and writing, some self-learning part will be there. And I requested everybody in the initial classes to come up with a project, one project for each unit, so that we can easily understand the logic behind the subject. Yeah, so that is the reason I'm telling this is a project-based learning. And moreover, this topic you can see it off from the previous session and this session. I was not able to see how you people are going to interact with us, and also what are your doubts, because this is a recorded session and this is a theory part. There won't be any problems to cover in this. So the session is keep on going, and I think it will be boring for everybody to focus, like at least even it is a 20-minute session. So we can't listen continuously the theory part, and also keep on telling some numbers. What by this R is telling only the numbers and all the things, because subject is like that and the first unit is like that. We have to cover all these things, and also we can check it out the what we call it as like number of problems or the things what we are having. It will be the same if you keep on checking. So if you can improve something, we can check the numbers also, that one. So if anybody is passionate, we can check it in the live sessions. You can ask me the doubts, sir, what is this video of, so that when I'm playing the video, you can ask me doubts, and also while so once the video is played, sir, these are the doubts, so then we can clarify it. Right now in the right now in the recorded session, we can't have any interaction with the student. So we are focusing only on the topic, what is happening, and also it may be looking like very boring session also, because it's only keep on telling some numbers, and it's certain, and we have to adjust to these COVID situations, and we have to follow, and this is a big challenge for us also. Okay, coming to the next slide. So right now, what is the current focus here? He is trying to tell mainly one thing we have to remember: the primary focus must be the rural energy. So instead of these points are there for your technical things while writing in the exam, but come up with a practical solution. If we are giving the power for the farmers, for the industry we are giving free power, and also we are giving incentives, but for farmers we are not giving any incentives, only for 10 hours, and also they are asking for quality current. At least some governments are giving free of it. But completely, if the power is more, availability of power is more, obviously we have to give it for free, or at least for the basic for the farmers or for the rural sectors if we can provide. We can see the growth of India and also the increase of the GDP, obviously. And also these things, all the points what are discussed in this, these are the minus points what we are having. And I think everybody will be knowing these points easily. This is not a technical subject. This is a social related subject. And also social means like social living. I'm talking about social living subject. And also these things, all points you can, so once you are able to read that one, you are 4th years and you are very talented people, I know that. So you can easily understand what is what in this particular thing. Okay, boss. And okay, this point is clear, this point is clear. It is easily understanding. So here as a faculty, I'm going to bring you the scenario in front of you so that you will understand what is what in the current situation. Well, coming to the next slide. So here, what are the areas for redevelopment? And also here we can check it out, the renewable energy and also the research, design and the development, everything you can see it here. And all these points also are self-explanatory only, it will be easy ones. And also if any doubts, these all topics, why I am stressing or just passing it from the past 10 minutes, I keep on telling the numbers. This session will be like boring one. That's the reason I'm just to keep on skipping these slides now, because we'll be showing many videos in the live session for this particular session, because this session will be easily explainable and also understandable by watching videos when compared to the classes. That's the reason I focus more on videos when compared to the less one. Okay, now coming to the comparison one. So today my topic will be completed with this one. So while comparison, you must check it as like we have discussed, only concentric solar plate one, photovoltaic and the wind. So here CSP and PV is nothing but the solar ones only. These two are the solar ones, and the last one is the wind. PV is nothing but the photovoltaic, and CSP is nothing but concentric solar plate. So these things, and also what are the points we are going to deal with. So here first point, we must be very careful, and also tomorrow while dealing with criteria for assessing, that is the last topic of the first unit. So criteria for assessing the potential of NCS. So here while establishing and plan for the RES and for wind power or for the solar power, what is the land required? First one, land scope, and next one is what is the developer incurred costs, like water use, SSS resource, land seize, power purchase agreement, because we can't establish plans straight away without any government permission or like that. So this all things will come into picture. And next NEPA compliance resource testing, land development. Next one is like transmission study required, and also next one is interconnection, construction permit, operating permit, and plant operating and maintenance one. So all these points are required. So here while coming to, or at least in this few points you can cover, in this few points, or at least what are the basic points you can cover here is, first one is what is the land area required. So minimum of 250 and preferred is greater than or equal to 500. So like concentric solar plates means we will be going to discuss in the second unit there, and we will be coming to know what is meant by concentric plate, why that much area is required there. In acres he was talking about, but the photovoltaic cells we can check it out, and also solar cells. These are nothing but the solar cells what we are using right now. So we, in a minimum area of 100 acres also we can generate more power when compared to the CSP and wind. But the wind, we are having the windmills. So that's the reason we require preferably minimum of 1000 acres here. And next one is land slope. So preferred is 1%, and also the wind, it will be keep on varying. Wind means where the flow of the wind, it must be of 10 meters per second at least. At least the wind speed must be 10 meters per second, so that the wind turbine can rotate. We must check the areas there, and we must be focusing there. So here photovoltaic cells and the wind, there won't be any water usage here. It will be very minimal. But for the concentric solar plate, we can check it out. We are having the water usage wet cooled and also dry cooled. This all things will be discussed while showing that video. So in the from the second unit onwards, more things will be coming on you for you in the video wise. But in the PPT wise, we will be covering very less. And the sessions also will be like only 15 minutes, not like 20-25 minutes right now. The next sessions for the unit 2 will be only of 15 to and maximum of 12 to 15 minutes only each class. So we'll be completing all the things in maximum of like 10 sessions. 10-15 minutes will come, hardly 2 hours. So here you can check it out. What is the land seize we are going to take? But right now you are mentioned here 30 years, and also the government is giving now 100 years, so that we can establish that one. And next you can check it out here. What is the permissions, and also what is the SS resources he is giving detail in this particular thing. And this PDF will be shared to you. And also this is the thing what we are having while comparison of various energy sources. Right now I have given you the basic example of the solar and wind. Like that, we will be showing more about the different types of comparison, like solar and geo, like solar and wind, and also like solar and the wave. Like that, we'll be comparing while in the live sessions, so that it will be helpful for you guys to understand what is what. Okay, then you will get the clear picture. Okay, boss, this is the thing we have to do. Okay, guys, thank you all. And also there won't be any homeworks. If you are able to do the project, it will be helpful. The homework is mentioned only for you to understand what is what in this subject. At least go through the subject and don't take it light, because it is not the core subject. It's not related to us, and it's not related to placements even. So that is the reason I'm telling it is a basic subject. It is a theory subject, and it is a notes. So it's not a notes driven subject, or it's not a thing. There will be some standard numbers, and also only standard answers is there. We can write on our own by understanding the logic and the topic. Okay, thank you all.